this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is the process video for the Papers Crafters YouTube Hops, where we are going to do schools out for summer. And I have been out now for a week, and I decided that I am going to do something teacher related, and I went to, along with one of my good friends, JP, we went to Board's Teachers Comedy Tour. Now, if you're not sure, it is teachers that used to be in the teaching field. Either they are currently or they got out and they now have joined the board teachers, and they, we just talk about all the crazy stuff that happens in our classrooms. So I went to there. So that is kind of like what my theme for this, and it's anything school related. So make sure you go check out everybody that is linked down below on who is doing this. I am going to put up in the corner here the layout that I am scrap lifting is from Vicky Booten. And she does, it's a little bit simpler. She only has one layout, or one photo, and I'm going to do two. And then I am going to finish up using the print shop from her collection. So this is going to be my mixed media. Then I'm going to take this and put this underneath just to add a little bit of something to it. And then my black, yada yada, all of that stuff. I'm going to use some distress oxides. I pulled out these 4 colors because I like this color combo. And then I did pull out the inks, my brayer, my ink pads, all of that fun stuff. So let's see what I can do. All right, so you're going to see that this is going to be a 2-parter. And what I mean by that is that I had to stop the mixed media and let it dry because my great state of Georgia is starting to get humid and things don't want to dry. So as of right now, I am putting on my background and all of that. And then I came in with my inks. So I have Distress Inks, the Spun Sugar, Tattered Rose, and Abandoned Coral. Now, the coral is what I played with first. And then the tattered rose, and then the spun sugar. So I wanted it to kind of be like kind of ombre effect, and then you'll see me try to come in with my stamps and use a little bit of the stamp work in the dot, like the ink, and it just wasn't working quite right. So then I got it to dry, and then I'm like, okay, well, maybe that'll work. Well, then I was like, you know what? I'll get out my my Distress Oxides, the actual ink pads of the same 3 colors. And then I'm like, you know what? I am going to get out my hexagon, my little hexagon one that I have here. And then I was like, okay, I'll put on these colors. I'll work through these, give it a dimension. And I'm like, well, shoot, you can't see this. So then I come in with my blue. And my blue is chipped sapphire. That is what brought this all together for my mixed media. So I had to let this dry. And then I come back. You will see that you can tell that it's come back in a different light just because of what my hand looks like. So I'm just going to let you know, just because it's showing on there, my birthday, when this goes up, it is the day before my birthday. And I decided to go get a couple new tattoos. Obviously, you guys don't see it in my videos because my shoulders aren't being seen, or my feet, obviously. But I did get one on my forearm. So now you will start to see that in the picture. And right now it's got the plastic case on it because I got to leave it on for 4 days. But yeah, so that is why I had to stop and get a couple extras and then go from there. Now, I am going to back these up with some foam tape and some backing. I wanted the yellow, the green, just to pop off this page and pull in some of the other colors, because those colors are going to match all the other embellishments that I decided to go with this. So make sure that you go and check out everybody that's linked down below. I absolutely love doing this hop every month. and it is by the Paper Crafters. So we pick one prompt, and every month we do this. Now, I am a little bit late getting this up, but everybody else has their video up and running to roll, and mine is coming shortly, obviously, as this is a little bit later than everybody else. But I will link everybody down below. If you're coming from one of theirs, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations like this, design teams, all of the fun stuff. And I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel as well. I am almost on my way to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love for you to be one of them. Now here I am going in with my embellishments from this collection, and I loved how this came together. I think that while this is a print shop, it may look like she's doing more of like printing and stuff, but there's so much creativity in this that it fits, I feel, amazingly for school pictures, just because of what it all says. So I have, like, here it says 1 2 3 go. I love that as my title because it's board teachers, and 1 2 3 go is kind of like, I know that it means like you need to go, like go quickly, but to me it reminds me of like a attention getter that I get for being in my classroom. So yeah, and then I'm going to place that down. I'm going to get this down. The one thing that I want you guys to remember, that when you do mixed media, a lot of times you have to use glue over ATG because it just doesn't like to stick like it should. So I'm placing in these pieces, and then I do come in with what's called, this one, the small title is called A Bright Idea, I think. Yeah, a bright idea is that piece right up there, and I like how I put that there. And then I do come in with the stars. I add in the stars, and then I do come in with my black 3 dots, and then that is pretty much it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. Like I said, I am almost to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love you to be part of my family. And the still shots are coming up. Lastly, I add this piece in, and then you will see me come in with my black dots, and that is it. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.